I got some new bolts on my winter wheels. Since I'm using adapters from 4x100 to 5x100, one of these 5 bolts on each wheel needs to be a bit longer than the rest. These ones are just a bit too long, so I need to cut them down to make them fit the stock S3 wheels. I changed the fuel hose clamps, so now it does not leak fuel anymore. Also, I had a small sound from the front left caliper after a test drive. It was a quick fix, nothing big.
Spontan? Spontan? Sån shaky.
So as you can see, it's pretty slippery today. And my winter tires are far from the best. They are a few years old and yeah, not the best. But it's like some places here, it's like pure ice. Since it's the last video of the year, I will answer some questions. So I just want to show how slippery it is. So you see, it's pretty. So as you can see, it's pretty bad, but it's fun. The problem is that there's some places on the asphalt which is you have regular grip, and then just another place where it's like pure ice, and then you get grip again. So it's not comfortable to drive on. Like it was, if it was one or the other, then you at least have, you know, some type of control. When it's just like a bit of this, bit of that, and then it's like perfect weather for crashing into something. So first comment is,
Hi, is this 4Motion came from a Mk1 Golf? If so, is the prop shaft a direct fit? No modifications needed.
so the drive shaft needs to be shortened. How much shortened? It depends quite a lot on it depends on which type of engine mounts you use, gearbox mounts, and where you put the rear subframe. So that's kind of the only requirement for this. Also, you need to make the mounts for the drive shaft in the middle. And the second one is,
It sounds epic, it's boosting really well. Well done.
yeah, thank you. It really sounds awesome. I don't know what else to say.
Bro, we need more in-car footage and more hooning.
So I agree 100%, and today you got it, I guess. It's I saw this comment, and this is pretty much the reason why I found my old GoPro, and yeah.
Which Haldex controller do you use?
So I used a mechanical Haldex controller. It's from SQS, and I will link it below. It's, if they still have it, it's a mechanical Haldex controller, so it's no need for any wiring to the controller. Only the downside is, hopefully you can still hear me. The downside is that you need to go under the car and turn the controller by hand. But at the time I didn't want any as little electronic as possible, just because it's less points of failure, I feel like, mechanical versus electronics.
Donald Duck forsider.
So I asked a question in my previous video about if... Yeah, I hope you can hear me. Eric is doing some cutting. If I should do something on my fenders, if I like, should I paint them? Should I draw something on them? Should I don't know, do you want your name on it, like your username or something? So this comment is in Norwegian, but it says like Donald Duck's cartoon front covers, like from the books and the magazines and stuff. And then
Sticker bomb it with all the stuff you love.
this comment is also about the same, so I should put whatever I like sticker bomb it with stuff I like. I don't know what it would be, honestly. I have one idea, but yeah.
Keep them yellow, so cool.
And then, yeah, this comment, last comment, keep it yellow. I mean, I like the color yellow, this color of yellow. It gives it kind of a rally look, I guess. It's a nice color. I mean, the car which this came from looked really nice in this yellow. Now this caddy is red, which is also a very nice red color. This yellow, but yeah, I will see. I have one idea which I want to do on, I think only one of them, like something small, but still, if anyone have any suggestions, just leave it somewhere, Instagram, Facebook, or comments, and maybe I'll do it. So that's it for today's video, and Happy New Year. See you next year. Bye.